Memorial Day weekend is the kickoff to the summer driving season, but with the nation suffering under the weight of recession, hitting the road could take a back seat for many Americans this summer.
Travel overall through the summer, we believe, will be at levels below last year.
AAA is expecting an initial bump of about 1.5% over the holiday weekend, but the spike is expected to quickly fizzle as Americans deal with the slumping economy.
Well, economy doesn't help. Everybody I talk to, their jobs, hours are down, and we'll just hang around home this year. That's all. Not a big deal.
Americans are getting a break when it comes to gas prices. Looking back a year, a gallon of regular was up above $4. Now the average price is hovering around $2.25.
It's still a lot of money when everything else is going up.
Travel researcher IHS Global Insight is forecasting that people will take 20 million fewer trips from April to September and spend $30 billion less on travel. Still, many Americans, including some along the New Jersey Turnpike, are pushing ahead with their travel plans.
When we have to visit our family, we go.
Negative. They're basically the same. The economy is going to be what it is, and we'll just work a little harder to do what we need to do for our family. It is what it is. It's not going to affect at all.
The economy isn't expected to get much better over the summer months, and fewer vacations or shorter ones will only prolong the pain. Every summer, Americans pump billions of dollars into hotels, restaurants, amusement parks, campgrounds, and every touristy spot in between. Lower gas prices will help keep a few dollars in Americans' wallets, but the road to recovery is still clogged with traffic. Ed Donahue, The Associated Press.